Boom. 6 out of 6 in the Jimny.
Wow.
Woo!
Yeah, a few times before. I was like, it's a comfy car, isn't it? He's like, yeah. He wasn't very chatty though, but
Wasn't he?
it was a few odd, you know, like I went down Lineker Street, and I went down, Lineker Street near the school, and he's like, no, stay. It just doesn't say now, carry on.
Good.
So he was putting me in my place, but I was listening.
He is very fair, him. So, boom. 6 out of 6 in the Jimny.
Wow.
Woo! 0 fails.
0 fails.
You've just passed, haven't you?
I can't believe it. I'm in disbelief.
You had a little cry.
I did. I didn't mean to cry though. I thought I had failed. I was nearly crying coming into a test centre thinking I fucked it and he's going to be so disappointed with me. I was like, I fucked his streak.
You came in really nice.
Did I?
It looked confident when you came in. It looked really good. Like, you seemed calm.
I had literally just calmed down because I was coming back to the test.
I thought, you've got this. There's no way you failed. No way.
Well, I went to Splashwell car park.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I literally did the test route I did last time.
Okay.
I did my lights perfectly.
Good.
I was like, wow. I was like, this is the only good thing that's probably happened on this test. And then, what do you call it? And he went, can you just drive into any bay and reverse out?
Good.
I thought it was a bit wonky, but I thought, I'm in. It doesn't
Yeah.
matter. I'm just gonna. And he's like, reverse out when you're ready.
Okay.
I was like, laughing.
Brill.
But yeah.
Are you glad you got that manoeuvre?
Yeah. Because when he was taking me in, I thought, I'm gonna have a reverse parkway. I know I am. And I was like, I need to do it.
Yeah. Nailed it. So when you came back in then,
Yeah.
I got the call over, didn't I? Came to the door.
And I thought, because he went, do you want your driving instructor to listen? And last time I was like, oh, I know.
Yeah.
Like, I know. Like, I thought there's no point getting my hopes up.
Yeah.
But even when I had made silly mistakes, I was saying to myself, I've still got the rest of the test.
Exactly.
I can still do it. It's not over. Whereas
No.
last time I was like, I fucked it. What's the point?
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. So you made one mistake. So when you stopped at the end, then you called me over. You had a bit of a telling off about positioning on a roundabout. But he hadn't actually said if you'd passed or failed for quite a bit. And then he asked for your licence, and I thought, you still don't know if you've passed it.
Yeah.
And I was like, well done. You were like, what? I've passed.
I actually don't know how I passed though. I can't lie.
It was good though. So your roundabout was kind of like
a bit squiffy.
It could have been a different scenario.
Yeah.
I wasn't there, so
no,
I didn't see
you
it.
can
But
watch it back.
oh yeah, go on, I'll get it back on. Yeah. So you positioned right basically instead of left.
I think I was just in the middle where I should have been more to the left.
Yeah.
But I should be. Yeah, it's.
How many faults did you get?
I don't know.
Oh, I'll check on your email later. I don't think you're bothered, are you?
No, because I passed.
How did you feel when you found out then?
I was like boring. Oh, hang on. Oh, I've literally got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 driving faults.
Oh.
But I had 7 driving faults last time and I had 2 majors. So
okay.
I've got rid of the majors. I'd rather still have the 7 driving faults because I've got 6 left.
Yeah. So the Jimny's bringing some luck.
Maybe I should get a Jimny.
No passes, no fails in the Jimny.
No.
6 out of 6 passes. But this was your second test.
Yeah.
You had a test in the I-30N.
Yeah, but I wasn't mentally ready for it, I don't think. I said to my mum the other day, I wanted to do it, but I had a lot going on, so then my head was everywhere. Whereas now, my scenario was completely different.
Yep.
Went in with open mind.
Good.
If I failed, I failed. Like I said to you, we just redo it and get one sooner than later. Don't leave it like a year and a half. Like I know.
Yeah. And you had a banana.
And I had my breakfast, and I had a banana, and I drank water, but I didn't have a good night's sleep.
Oh, we're stressing about it.
Yeah, and I had Albie waking me up. And I thought, one bloody night. I need like a good night's sleep.
Yeah.
I had Kyle waking me up at 11:15, and you know when you fall into a deep sleep, I was like, for fuck's sake. I was like, what is going on?
Oh, you've done really well.
I was worth the anxiety yesterday.
So you can take a bow. Yeah. No more TikTok videos. Oh. That's it. It's over and out from Mais. But you've got your own file on TikTok, so you can look back in the future.
End of an era.
I know.
Oh, Oh, actually sad.
Feels good, doesn't it?
It does feel good, but it feels weird. Who am I going to chat shit to with next to me?
I know, that's it, isn't it? You chat shit for months and months.
I'm going to have to just speak to Albie.
I know. And then you pass your test and that's it. Goodbye, see ya.
But like, what if I can't drive now? Like, coming to this roundabout by myself, what if I panic?
You can always have another lesson if you want.
You'll
be fine.
A motorway lesson.
Go out with your fella.
Yeah, oh no, you don't let me drive this car. Definitely not.